Hello, and welcome to the EMF Production Lab tutorial of using Soundly with a digital audio workstation such as Reaper. To begin, let's quickly go over how data management works in Reaper. When you first open a new project in Reaper, you have the option to create a subdirectory for the project and to copy all media into the project directory. You're going to want to select both of these options. Whether you save to your hard drive or to your desktop, it's helpful to create a new project folder exclusively for your new project. Then we're going to create our own project file name, and we're going to call it something like Soundly Project. Then you can go ahead and save. Next, you need to adjust your project settings. Go to File, Project Settings, navigate to Media, and then set the folder to where you would like to save your files when they import. So we're going to call out our file something like Project Audio or Project Media. The reason that we do this is so that in the future, if you need to share your project with a team member or your faculty, or if you just want to archive it for future reference, everything that is necessary to open the project file travels with the entire project. Otherwise, media may go offline and you would have to resync and relink everything. Now let's quickly talk about data management within Soundly. Let's say that you didn't do anything I just referenced and you just drag and drop your files directly into Reaper. When you go under Settings in Soundly, at the top here, your audio files are saved to the location referenced here in the top right. So if a project file ever goes missing, you can take a look for them in this folder and then relink them. Second, if you're working in Pro Tools or Premiere, Soundly has this awesome feature that you just need to click in order to automatically copy the project audio to your Pro Tools session or your Premiere file. Now you don't have to worry about any of your files going missing. So how does Soundly actually work? Well, it's incredibly easy. Using the scroll bar to your left, you can select different sound types, or, if you navigate to the bottom, you have different sound collections. Sound collections reference different sound landscapes. So we can see here we have in the forest, sounds that you might expect to hear within a forest. Or party, sounds that you might expect to hear within a party. You can also search for things up at the top. So let's say alarm sounds. Now we have a selection of different types of alarm sounds. So once that you have found a sound file that you want to use for your project, all you need to do is select in this timeline down here an excerpt of the sound file that you'd like to bring into your project, and then click and drag. Then you can drop it onto whatever track you want. It's that simple. The only thing that you need to be aware of about this is that you are creating a unique audio file that is being saved to your project file when you do this. You're going to lose the head and tail of your sound clip unless you drag over the entire audio file. Thank you for watching. As always, if you have more questions, just check in with your faculty member or the Media Production Labs for assistance.